How to remove the engine cover from your 3.6 liter V6 Chevy Impala. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. To remove the engine cover is pretty simple. The first thing you need to do is remove the oil cap. So just give it a twist and pull it off. Sit this to the side. There's only one screw on the engine cover, and if you look closely, it looks kind of weird, but it's actually just a T30 Torx screw. Get your T30 Torx Bit Socket and remove the screw. Take the screw, sit this to the side. With the oil cap off and the screw out, just pull up and the cover comes off. So looking at the motor, this is the place where we took the screw out right here. And there are two other mounting points. This one here where the cover snaps in and one right here. So now I'm going to put the cover back on the engine. I'm going to line up to where the oil cap goes. Push down on the two mounting points on the right. Reinstall the screw. Put on the oil cap, and this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.